Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's Promo, and today we'll be taking a look at the furthest most left-hand home screen on your Samsung Galaxy device. And what I mean by that is, let's say that you are not on your home page. Once you swipe up or you hit your home button, it takes you back to your home screen. But when you swipe over one more time to the left-hand side, it brings you to Samsung Daily, which is the most recent name and version of this screen. It's the way that you're able to get the latest news and entertainment just one swipe away. You're able to fully customize it, personalize it, tell it what you want to see, what you don't want to see. But on Samsung One UI 3.0 with Android 11, this is what you will be introduced with the moment you update your phone. So this one again is called Samsung Free, and all we're going to do in this video is just take a look at it. We'll set it up just so you guys can see the differences. Now, one thing I do want to show before we actually take a look at the screen is that if you do not want to have this, Samsung Daily there, if you don't want to have Samsung Free, just do a simple pinch to zoom. It actually brings down all your different screens. You're able to add in more pages, you're able to delete a page, and then you can also just simply turn it off. So if you don't want to see it at all, I know some people go through, they turn it off or they disable it. This is one of the easiest ways just to turn it off, is just by doing a simple pinch to zoom. It takes you right back in. So how about we go inside and we set this up just to show you guys exactly what we're looking at, and we'll kind of customize it too. So let's just kind of go through the settings just so you guys can see what you will get here in the near future. So first off, here's some of the news. A lot of it's going to be a lot of political things. And then as you scroll down, you can go through and you can edit. You can also take a look at more articles. And it looks like this one, when you go inside of more articles, it's going to take you to a website. So this must be running off of this website here is what it's basically being run off of. And then when you go inside of play, this one's going to give you games you're able to play instantly. So it's like instant games, things you don't have to download, but you're able to just simply play them. It's something that's actually inside of the game launcher. And as you scroll through, you can just kind of go through and hit on play, and that's pretty much about it. So let's go back over inside of this read page. And that's one of the things that is new with Samsung Free, is that they are going to set it all up with tabs on the bottom versus not having tabs from before. So on the very top, we're going to go inside of this little new area. Let's go inside of notices just to see, what all of this is about. This one was just pushed out a couple days ago when I updated my phone. Oh yeah, and if you guys are brand new here at the channel of Jimmy is Promo, you guys appreciate these tips, tricks, and tutorials and how-tos and the latest information on your Samsung Galaxy devices, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button as well as the bell for notifications to get notified for all future videos. Dear users, as a part of our ongoing product development and our effort to deliver quality content, we are introducing a few changes and updates to existing service. This service is called Samsung Free and includes easy navigation through a multi-tab structure, content such as news and games in the new format. In your new phone, card services will be discontinued and our content offering will be realigned. Please note that you can continue access full features and content on the corresponding apps for card service. Moving forward, we aim to provide a simpler, more streamlined content experience for our users. So that's the notice there. Let's go right back up to the very top. And what I want to do is go through the categories. So this way we can change and personalize and customize this entire screen. So let's just go along with the news. I don't really need to have too much entertainment. I do want to have the sports. I do want to read a lot about tech. Now, because I am doing a lot of stuff now with the stock market, let's go a little bit inside of businesses. I think there's enough politics going on in the regular news section. Health, finance, definitely go for some finance there. Now, if you're into travel, click that one up. If you're into food and drinks, click that one up. And if you like to be, well-rounded with all of your world news, then you're able to turn that one on. You can also reorder this. So if you wanted to reorder everything, how about we go with, I do want to put the finance up there. Then let's do the sports, then the tech, news, and business. So that's where we're going to go here. Head on back. And so then after a little bit, this is going to kind of curate and add in everything that we've done. So that edit button that was on the bottom is the same as what we just got done doing on the very top. Now let's take a look really fast inside of settings. So inside of settings, really nothing going on here, just your account, your Samsung account. So you do want to be logged in with your Samsung account. You can learn about the Samsung Free, see if you have the latest version. Really, there's nothing much in this screen to take a look at, but this is what the brand new Samsung Free looks like. There's not going to be a lot going on right here with everything that we just, kind of inserted. So we're going to let this thing reload and I'll take a look at it in a few days. And after this election stuff is kind of slowing down a little bit, hopefully all the rest of our things that we chose will actually be added in. But if it does or doesn't, I'll just update you guys a little bit later on with this on Twitter. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.